What's up guys, I'm the Revenger's Hammer, and in today's episode I'll be reviewing the DJI Spark. So in this video I'll be discussing some of the pros and cons, as well as a full in-depth review of the must-have accessories as well as pricing. As you know, this model has been discontinued from DJI, meaning you will have to get this second-hand. If you buy it standalone, you simply get the drone plus one battery. Fly mode combo, you get the drone, a battery, spare battery, the remote. The carry case, as you can see, does not house the remote. A battery charger, you can charge 3 different batteries at the same time. Power brick. The current range to your phone is roughly 80 meters. 80 meters, I do not believe that you will get the maximum use out of this drone. With the remote, however, you're gonna get roughly 2 kilometers. So some of the must-have accessories, I would say that you get the Fly More combo, especially in the second-hand market, as a standard. You get this micro USB OTG cable, the A to lightning portion goes into my iPhone. A micro SD card, I'll link it down below in the description. I use a 64 gigabyte. I have 2 of them. So let's go through some of the pros of the drone. It's cheap. I mean, you're buying it secondhand, probably gonna get it for around $500 if you're lucky. If you're in South Africa, you're looking at maybe 5,000 rands as well. For a Fly More combo, you obviously have to shop around. Drone itself shoots full HD, that's 1080p up to 30 frames per second. Now I'm gonna put up some footage. As you know, it's a 2-axis stabilized gimbal. What that means is that you're not going to get buttery smooth image. For simple shots such as flying up and down with the gimbal pointed down, you're getting buttery smooth image. If you're pointing it down and flying forward, or you're flying left and right, so if you're flying it in one direction, which is how you actually should fly a drone, you will get decent enough imagery. So let's go through some of the cons. Firstly, it's not a foldable drone, but if you're putting it in the case, plonk it in the case can go in, you know it's secure. Another con is the remote itself. Joysticks, currently the joysticks stay in fixed, and if you're putting it in your pocket or in a bag or something. Another con, it's not 4K. Question you need to ask yourself, do you actually need 4K? I myself do not shoot 4K at all. So are you into serious professional photography or videography, this is not the drone for you. The drone itself doesn't have any built-in memory. Remove this little flap at the back, you'll see that it does house a card slot as well as a micro USB, but you can charge the drone directly. So one excellent use is if you're going on a hike, just want to take the drone, pop it in your bag, you simply just charge it on the drone itself. So all you need is a micro USB in essence. You can charge the remote. This lasts you quite a few flights. I mean, you'll easily get 2 to 3 hours usage out of this before you have to recharge the remote itself. Another concern is the gimbal in the front itself. So if you look in the case, always make sure you position it in the right way, just to keep the gimbal protected. I'm the Revenger's Hammer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to reach out in the comments below. Please like, subscribe and share. New videos coming soon.